Next project is GSM based underground cable fault detection. Here hardware connections are Arduino and its daughter board along with power supply, 16:2 LCD display. GSM modem SIM18C connected to Arduino UART port. Here 3 relays and buzzer connected to Arduino digital pins. 12 switches connected in series pattern. 4 switches for R phase, 4 switches for Y phase and remaining 4 switches for B phase. Here these switches for creating fault at different distance locations. Resistance will vary if any slide switch will on. Arduino single ADC measures the 3-phase resistance by switching the relays from phase to phase. Now power on this. Here on LCD it is asking send message to store mobile number. Now we have to send star mobile number in SMS to this GSM modem. Mobile number registered. We can see here on LCD R means R phase, Y phase and B phase. Here R phase, Y phase and B phase. In R phase we have 4 switches. If you put in upward direction, that means no fault. If you put in downward direction, that means fault condition. These 4 switches for each switches has a 1 km distance. See, first switch is for 1 km, second switch is for 2 km, 3 for 3 km, 4 for 4 km in R phase. Fault occurred in B phase at 4 km.